corn. Should be the last day of corn. Enjoy the old Massey start for their, well, not for the last time in the season, because we'll be starting her again here and there. But let her warm up. So today is November 4th. It is now 6:30. Slept in a little bit. Going out at 17.4. Take away 2 points. It's 15.4. That's what I'm shooting for right now. It's top of the bin. And number test 2, 17.1. 58 pounds. I don't know what that person was. I'll have to look back at the video, but that's good test weight. It's all working well. Let's get to the combine. Lights. Get in line. So we're hoping this is it. This is the last day of corn. Let's send it. So we have 15 acres here and another almost 40 acres right close to the home farm. So hopefully we can finish today, depending on the bushels, depending how full we get, but we'll be close. yeah, harvest is all done. Woohoo, yeah. God dang. Good morning. Inspection door fell off. I got a mess to clean up. So last night around, I was trying to get home around 6 o'clock. Right before I left the farm here, I heard this dryer plug. I was like, oh, you know what? I'm just gonna slow you right down. But it did plug. I pulled that inspection door off last night. My fault, I'm gonna say. I obviously didn't get it latched back on properly, but I got it to go last night. I'm gonna check, see how much we dried. But yeah, question is, oh good, pipes aren't plugged, so that's nice. So we're gonna get that cleaned up. We might as well see how much we dried. I just gotta figure out if I'm emptying those into the wet bin, I'm gonna dry them, or whether those are going to town, because that's part of share crop. Positive stuff. Wet bin is empty, so that's nice. Let's go see how full our bin is. Okay, this bin is pretty much full. Yep, it's right there. So I know I can squeeze everything into these 2 bins, but it might involve more shoveling because it might get right full. Or I can just empty those wagons into my wet bin and leave it there, turn the fan on for the season. I'm not too sure yet, but I do know we gotta clean up a pile of corn. More of a hand job deal. You know, I know a piece of concrete, I come and I touch it, I really can't get a big scoop. And I don't want to get close and wreck my blower, so let's get the shovel. I hate the shovel. You're gonna get the point. So here's what is actually amazing, man. On my 3rd bucket load, I thought I'd take a little breather. I can't believe that chain in there never jumped and stopped this whole operation from shutting down. You know, blows my mind. Also, it would have been handy if it would have blew like when I first started, because what goes on is you get some corn in there and then the chain will go, you know, pop it right off because it gets underneath the teeth of the chain. Had it happen. When I've dumped, so I've plugged that before and I pull the dump and get it going, and I've had it, anyways, it just would have been a lot smaller of a mess. So just would have popped the chain. On a positive note, everything dried. Unfortunately, the loader's not quite high enough to get it over top. You just gotta shake it. It gets the majority. Keep shoveling. Oh, one just showed up, so that's nice. So I'm going to tell you the story of what, now I know what happened after you clean it all up. Last night those pipes plugged. I took this inspection plate off. It wasn't plugged here. I hit this pop-up switch up to start everything. I could hear the plug pipe was plugged down there. Me and all my wisdom, and in a hurry, took this over there and set it beside the bin. Took the pipe off, unplugged it, went and turned the blower on, got the pipe unplugged, plugged the pipe back in, turned the dryer on, heard corn going, and said, I'm calling it a night. I've had enough. Walked away. This is what happens when you get in a hurry. Life lessons. Take your time. Where's I'm going to end the video? We're going to drive a little bit of corn put up there on Saturday morning. So on Monday morning, just fired the dryer back up. Have a good one. Peace.